go into that one. Yamaha Hot Spring. Now massage salon.
Alright.
So, we're in the right spot?
You guys were supposed to be one more car back, but
There was all a bunch of stuff.
There was somebody
Yeah.
else's tag was there, and then they had all a bunch of stuff on the seat.
Yeah, so that's why we were confused of where we were supposed to be.
then right here will be just fine. Because people can't quit moving around in their cars,
And there was
so it's screwing up all of my seat planning. Because I'll go through and I'll write down where everybody's at, and then I'll go up and do a seat plan.
Yeah.
And by the time I come back, they're moved.
Yeah.
People won't sit still.
Well, this works out because we kind of wanted to be on this side again.
There you go.
See that way we get to see it on the way on the trip back, the different side.
There you go. Yeah. Where's your guys' seat check?
Yeah, I think I saw you. I don't understand why one car
where's the
companies do not this car is on the down Whoa.
The seat side, you're going to see Glenwood Canyon on this side. The rest of the way, everything's going to be on this side. It's up to you. Which side you're sitting? You can sit on this side. You'll see most of the scenic. You'll see the Core Canyon, Byers Canyon will be on that side. We'll have Glenwood Canyon on this side. So it's up to you. You want to stay here? These are your seats. Stay there so that I know where you're at. Because when we get to Granby, I only have 2 minutes to get you off the train, stop, off the train, and back going. And I only have 2 minutes.
Can't do it with the trees.
So I just have to know where you're at.
Good afternoon, folks. This is James here from the dining car. This announcement is primarily for our sleeping car passengers. In just a couple of minutes, I'm going to be walking through the sleeping cars to give out dinner reservations for tonight. Dinner in the dining car is by reservation only. We're going to have 3 seatings, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 7 o'clock. However, folks, we're going to reserve most of the 5 o'clock seating for those passengers